Hi garden friends, and welcome to my channel, DK's Garden Oasis. I am Debbie, gardening in Zone 6A, southwest suburbs of Chicago. My passion is to share my garden and tips so that you can have a successful garden too. If you're interested in growing vegetables, herbs, and flowers, or grow, harvest, and arrange cut flowers, or maybe you want to start a garden from scratch, this would be the right channel. I also am a butterfly raising hobbyist, so if you wanted to learn how to raise butterflies from egg to adult butterfly, I will teach you that as well. I'll also travel to beautiful gardens throughout the US and one day the world. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification and comment below and say hi. So come along with me on this journey to bloom, grow, and conserve in your garden. I'll meet you in the garden. Happy gardening. Bye-bye.